and good afternoon. It is 5:15 p.m. Sunday, 22nd of August, the day we are going to finish the project, A Journey with My Son. We are at the absolute last spot of civilization in the Karpaz Peninsula. We are at the Seabird Motel and Restaurant. As usual, my last time switching the camera so you see this marvelous view. This is the beach. Lovely. You see the amount of people here. Some people swim all the way to that rock in the middle of the bay. Yes, to there. There in the distance you can see the Apostolos Andreas Monastery. So